Hey guys, welcome to my Artistic Universal YouTube channel, and thank you for joining me today. Today I'll be showing you a clever way on how to create what is called cartoon realistic art. So let's get started. Okay everybody, here is what I mentioned. Here I'll show you some random pages on some artwork that I created, which I had so much fun on and took me quite some time, but still, really love so much, and I enjoy mostly creating different cartoon characters, and you can see here. And here you see Popeye here. Pinocchio. Yeah. Judge Dredd and Deadpool. Caricature of Arnold Schwarzenegger. And this one, my favorite, Marvel's Blade. As you can see here, there's more. Yeah. Okay, it's pretty much most here in the sketchbook, and yeah, I have like more sketchbooks. Other than that, here is gonna be a realistic art, which I was mentioning about, and not that hard. Yeah, and try it yourself. And then yeah, as you see here, this character, the American pilot, and then basically here is a real picture. So here I'll show you the time lapse. I did this artwork from beginning to the end. Well, actually, what I did, excuse me, what I did was I took this picture from my cell phone of this character. I saved it in my Google Photos and transferred it, import it here, and then insert the photo, and I search for that pilot, here, and I clicked on it, and then it just appeared. And then, okay, now I'll show you the time lapse again. This time properly, the right procedure. So right here, I pause it here, and you can see here I got rid of, this is from the sketchbook, and I got rid of all of these here. That's from the sketchbook, and I removed it. That's all that's surrounded from him. And then I started inserting, like, drawing some artwork from Procreate, and you can see I put some shadows on him on the bottom of his feet. And then I went to Google searching for a photo that's related to a pilot, which is the airplane, because he's a pilot. And then I went to another layer of here on Procreate, which is over here, where you can add different layers, and then I add it to a layer where it will appear right behind him. So let me go to time lapse slowly here. Going to show you as I finish this pilot. This time I went to the photo and inserted it in through the layer, and then put the picture of that airplane. And then I moved that pilot over to, you see that red carpet. And then after that, since the sky was just so clear, I decided to want the picture to look much better. So I added blue clouds to make it look more natural. And so it took approximately 21 minutes and 28 seconds. So doing cartoon realism and cartoon realistic art sometimes does not take too long. Well, it depends on what art that you draw in your sketchbook, and what photo you may want to include. So it does depend on what you want to do and create. So I call this the airplane pilot. I hope that you enjoyed watching it too, and find what I created pretty nice. So I'd like to thank you for watching this video, and I have more realistic art that I did create, which I will show you, and I will definitely keep up the good work. And this is not just the only one. So giving me any comments, and I would appreciate also if you would subscribe to my channel. This is the first realistic art that I represented to you, and I have more realistic art coming up that is still in progress for you. I would like for you to enjoy this art and this art. Okay? So again, I'd like to thank you for watching.